Hello, dear friend, this is Lisa speaking from JW Lighting Company. So this event, this motor solar light, it have three kinds of power, 800 watt, 1000 watt, 1200 watt. So this event, this is the biggest one, 1200 watt. So this event you can see, here is the logo, we can bring the logo and the power, 1200 watt. So this way my company can offer the customization service and can customize the logo. So this way, this model also have many special design. Here is the power indicator and here is the motion sensor. When people come, it 100% brightening. See the mechanical switch. You can turn on the light and turn off the light by the mechanical switch. So this way, the panel, here is the panel. Panel is light control. Charging during the day, light up during the night. So the event panel is the light control. So you can see here the light up, charging during the day and light up during the night. So you can the light is off now. Now when it's the night at night the light is off. The light is turned on. So the event you also can turn on the light and turn off the light by the remote. This is the remote control. So let me show you. Turn on the light and turn off the light. So this is the 1000 hundred. So the LD quality is 480p. So this is the small one 800 watt. LD quality is 360p. So this here this is the biggest one 1000 watt. LD quality is 600p. So this about the production introduced is done. Bye bye.